The Paw Patrol are spending the day relaxing.
Yahoo! So much fun!
Chase, Marshall, Rubble, and Rocky are playing at the fair. Sky and Zuma are playing video games.
Go, Sky, go!
Look at how many coins we're getting.
Watch out for those bricks! Jump!
Woo, I made it.
Even Romeo is spending the day inside, relaxing and watching TV.
World domination is such hard work. Time to watch the newest Genevieve's Playhouse video.
Hey guys, can you help me park these vehicles in this cool town tonight? I don't know what's happening to the colors.
Oh, dear.
Come on, what are we gonna do? Maybe we can use my magic paintbrush to bring the colors back.
A magic paintbrush? That could be just what I need. Even world domination can't take a day off. If I can get my hands on the magic paintbrush, I can bring my giant Megazord to life and take over the world. It took me so long to build this giant robot, but it needs a power source. And I'll bet the Paw Patrol are hiding it away at their lookout. Time to go for a ride. I just need to set up a distraction in order to get the Paw Patrol away from the tower, so I can take their magic paintbrush. Distraction. Where can I find a distraction? Aha! I have an idea. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. You stay right there. Here we go. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hurt you. Hold still. There, gotcha. The Paw Patrol would never pass up a kitty cat rescue. Up we go. Now to put you in this tree. Ta-ta! Oh no! I hear a cat in distress. I better check it out. A cat stuck in a tree. I better call the Paw Patrol. I'll use my cat in distress mission card for this one. Pups, there's a cat stuck in a tree by the post office. Assemble the team and meet me so we can save her. Ryder needs us. We're on our way.
Help me, player 1 and player 2. You're my only hope. Oh no, it's a dragon.
Watch out!
Don't worry, I'll use my I-beam.
Great job! He's almost done for.
I got this. Yikes, fire!
Oh no, he got you! Aw, man! Maybe we'll get him next time.
Hey, Ryder's calling. He needs our help. Let's go.
Let's dive in.
Let's take to the sky. After I take the elevator. Here I come.
My distraction worked. Now, where could they be hiding it? Is it over here? How about here? Aha! I found the magic paintbrush. Now to bring my Megazord to life. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Quiet, you'll alert the Paw Patrol. Take that. Yes, it worked. No one will be able to stop me. Now to take this back to my headquarters. Chase is on the case. I'm fired up. Green means go. Rubble on the double. Let's dive in.
This pup's gotta fly.
Pups, you're here. We've got to save the kitty cat.
We can't use my helicopter. It's so noisy that it might scare her out of the tree.
Good point, Sky. Any other ideas? If I could get on that building's roof, then I could fling myself into the tree and bring her down to safety. Hop on my scoop. I can flip you up. Great thinking. Three, two, one, launch. Great shot. And great landing. Maybe you're not clumsy after all, Marshall.
I'll show you who's not clumsy. Here I come, kitty. Check this out. Oh, that didn't work. It was a good try, Marshall. Anyone else have any ideas? Maybe Rubble's crane could reach the cap. I'll give it a try. It's not long enough. I can't reach. There's something in my truck that might help. Let's see. Ah, here it is. We can use this as an extension. Here you go, Rubble. Now give it a try. Perfect. Now hop on. Great job. Aww. Great job, Paw Patrol. We saved the kitty stuck in the tree. Let's go back to the lookout and get some puppy treats. Oh no, what happened to Chickaletta? Guys, someone's been in the lookout and took the magic paintbrush. It's gone. I only know one bad guy who would stoop so low. Romeo! I wonder what he's up to. Time to bring my Megazord to life. Yellow! Blue! Red! It worked! My Megazord is alive! Time to climb in and start taking over the world! Ready, aim, fire! Soon all the colors of the world will be mine! Now to check in on the Paw Patrol.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Let me get a closer look. It appears to be Romeo in a giant robot. Oh no, everyone hit the deck! Ha 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 ha! Have fun rebuilding, Paw Patrol! The lookout! It's destroyed! What are we gonna do? We need to find the robot's weakness. How are we gonna do that without the lookout? Guys, maybe I can help. Check it out! Wow, it's a giant lookout tower. That's right! Maybe I can build it and you guys can stop Romeo. It's worth a shot. Check out how huge this Paw Patrol tower is. It's over 2.5 feet tall. It plays tons of cool Paw Patrol phrases, a launch pad for the pups. It comes with Chase, Marshall, an exclusive vehicle, and these cool pup packs, which you can store here. It even has an elevator and a slide. Let's open it up and build it. Here's one of the columns for the tower. The top of the lookout here. Rubble's piece of the launch pad. And the top of the lookout. Here's the slide. Some more pieces for the main tower. And the rest of the launch pad pieces. Oh, here's the exclusive vehicle for Chase. And here's the lookout's main control panel. Let's put it together. But first, let's check out our Chase and Marshall figures. Here's Marshall. He's got the classic look and is pretty cool looking. It comes with 2 pup packs for him, his water cannon, and X-ray machine. Now for Chase. Let's get him out of this baggie. He's got the classic look too. Their heads can swivel, and you can articulate their legs. Chase has a strobe pup pack and his classic net with megaphone. Now let's assemble the lookout. First up is Rubble's yellow launch pad. Then Chase's blue one. Now for Rocky's green launch pad. Now we'll snap Marshall's red pad onto the others. Sky's pink one is up next. And finally, Zuma's orange launch pad. Now for the tower. Let's slide it in here. Now for my favorite part, the slide. Here's the lookout's main deck. We just insert the control panel like this. Then snap the ceiling on. And pop in the periscope. Pretty cool. Let's snap this on top and we'll be all done. Check it out! Look how awesome the new lookout is! Isn't that cool? Alright guys, here's your new tower. Now go stop Romeo! Thanks so much! Pups, it's time for a rough rescue! Get suited up and meet me in the control room.
Ready for action, sir.
Alright, what should we do first? We need to locate Romeo, then identify his robot's weakness. So I'll launch a scouting drone from the tower. It looks like he's already been through downtown. We're on the right track. There he is, in the distance. Now to find his weakness. Look, the drone detected a vulnerability. The blue leg has an elevator right up to the robot's controls. Alright pups, use the elevator to get to Romeo, then knock him out. Paw Patrol, on a roll. Chase, you're up.
Chase is on the case.
Whee! Look out below. Your turn, Marshall.
I'm fired up.
I'm on it. Check this out. Sky, let him have it.
Let's take to the sky.
These paws uphold the laws. Let's dive in. Green means go. I'm fired up. Let's dig in.
This pup's gotta fly.
With the Paw Patrol busy, there's no one to stop me.
Think again, Romeo. I'll put a stop to you. Oh, that didn't work. Oh.
Ha 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 ha! Told you so. Not so fast, Romeo. The Paw Patrol are here. How'd you get here so fast? I thought I stopped you.
No one can stop the Paw Patrol, not even you.
Marshall, you take Lightning McQueen to safety. Rubble, find a way into the robot. Sky, you distract Romeo.
You got it. Look at me. Ha ha ha, you missed me. Na 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 na.
Come with me, Lightning. Guys, which leg has the elevator? I forgot. The one that's blue. The one like me. So, yellow. Got it. Oh no, I think I picked the wrong one. I'm trapped inside the robot. I took Lightning to the mechanic. Oh no, what happened to Rubble? You give him back, Romeo.
I'll give you all something.
Uh-oh, gotta dive.
He's aiming for our vehicles. Everybody jump.
I'm gonna steal your colors. Pink, red, orange, blue, green, yellow. Oops, give me a second. I'm out of ammo.
Oh no, our vehicles. Don't worry about that. He's reloading. Now's our chance. Zuma, Marshall, rescue Rubble. I'll get Romeo. Here's the elevator. Now I can get inside. Rubble, we're here to save you.
It's water time, dude.
Fire water cannons. Thanks for the rescue, pups. Knock, knock.
Chase, this robot's not big enough for the both of us.
You're right, so I'm kicking you out.
Whoa!
You didn't think I'd let you fall, did you? Special delivery, one washed up bad guy.
Great work, Sky. Romeo, you're going to jail. Aw, man. We need to disable the robot so no one else can use it. Zuma, Marshall, your water cannon should disable it if you squirt enough water on it. I've got a better idea. Pups, follow me to Adventure Bay Lake. Why squirt when you can dunk? Hit it, Robo-Dog. Great job! The water shorted it out. We did it!
Thanks for taking me to the mechanic to get fixed.
No problem. Thanks for the ride back to the lookout. Check you later. Congratulations, pups, on our biggest rescue ever! And don't worry, pups. The magic paintbrush is safe and sound where no one can steal it again. Can we get some treats now? I'm starving.
Yeah, let's eat.